Cooking is not a job. A job ends when the shift ends. A job stops when the clock stops. But cooking follows you everywhere. It lives in your hands, in your thoughts, in your instincts. It is a lifestyle, one you breathe, one you sweat for, one you sacrifice for. For a chef, the day doesn't begin with an alarm. It begins with curiosity. What can I create today? What can I improve today? What can I give today? We don't enter the kitchen to simply finish tasks. We enter to express who we are. Every cut, every stir, every flame,